Hello everybody, Robert here with more Revit Training, and we're working on this project that I've got going, and we created these walls. Let me get a look at this in 3D view. So we've got our curtain walls here, and we worked on a composite wall in our last exercise here. So today we're going to look at another wall type. It is called a stack wall. So that's pretty simple, straightforward. Let's have a look at it and see what we can do with it. We may even want to use these exterior walls as stack walls. I don't really know, but let's make one. So here, what you would need to do is go into the wall command, and I don't have my properties open here. So I'm gonna have my properties here, and I'm gonna go to wall, architectural wall. And here you'll have this is the default wall. But what I wanna do here, I wanna change this into another wall type. I want to change this, so I'm going to go to edit type. I want to duplicate this, and I'm going to get us a new name. I'm going to call it, I think I made one already in here. I'm going to just switch to it. No, I'll create it just so we all know how it works, how this works. So you always duplicate, and then we'll call this new wall. So this one we have brick over CMU metal stud. We have brick over concrete metal, and so this one we're going to change this type. We're going to go here. We're going to select all this. Just wipe it out. Oh, we can leave that there. So we'll call this wall exterior. We'll change all this to EIFS or metal stud. We'll say OK. Now next from there we want to go and edit the structure. We can look at this in section view if you want. So there's our wall. And so if you select the top here, you see that highlight, and the bottom and the base. So this is the bottom, and here would be the top. So basically you got base and top just like you would do an ordinary wall. So right here for the bottom wall, this one, I want to change this to exterior brick on CMU. So we'll find it there. There you go, on CMU. And I want to make the wall height 6 feet here. Well, let's make this, let's make it 6 for now. We can always change it. And we want the offset here to be, let's say 4 inches here. And here's our wall. Yes, you can see, and we'll say OK. Apply. Let's see what we got going over here. You see what happened there? That's the offset. So I'm going to go back and edit that again. And I want to leave this at, we can leave that at 4 for now. But you see what happened there? We can change this to, let's see what happens if we go to 3. Uh-oh. Don't want to go there. Okay, there's a good question and answer of if you need to know anything about this wall. Probably should read it myself, but I'm just doing this as an exercise. So here we're going to go OK. And OK. So now let's place our wall here that we just created. Okay, so now let's look at this in our 3D view, folks. So there's our wall, and that's cut off because of this view we have. We might want to expand this just to see the actual height. So there's the height of the wall that we're working with and everything. I think I don't have this. Let me make sure we got this going right here. Edit type, metal stud. We want to change this. So this is interchangeable. We can change this. I don't think I like that. That's brick on CMU. Let's go with CMU insulated. We got that one there. Well, let's stick with the one we had prior. I'm gonna just undo this, cancel that out, cancel, and I'm gonna undo this. This is okay for what we want to do here. So now let's go back into our plan view. We could do a lot of things with this. So let's go into our plan view now. And here's our wall. So we can actually, let's say for instance, we want to put a curtain wall here. Yeah, this is a question somebody asked me about this, and I have to look at this again. I had to go online and check some things about curtain walls. They're pretty interesting. So there's our wall here. And now I can also change these over if I want it. So I can select this guy here. I want to go with our stack wall if I want it. So let me see that in 3D. So we can change this if we want here. I don't know if I want to right now. We might look at it later, and then we might want to change that, drop this down to maybe 4 feet or something like that. So I'm gonna undo that out. Leave my walls like I want them for now, and I want to just investigate and see what I can do with this. So here, in our level 1, we can also go in place. Let's say a curtain wall. So let's go into our wall again. And I want to go architectural, and I want to go down to my curtain wall storefront. And I want to just say from here, where's that line there? Yeah, that center line point, and just go across and do this. Now this should cut, yeah it does. It cuts right into that stacked wall. So that can be done as well. Pretty cool there, I guess. And then I want to do another stack wall. I'm going to select this guy, and I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to break it up. So now the wall is broken into different segments, and we could change these actually. So say I want to go to edit type here, and that's that individual wall, and we can go in here and change the materials, the widths, the heights, and whatever you want to do there. So I'm going to cancel that out, cancel that, and then we can select the bottom here, edit type as well. So basically, see, so these wall types can be changed after you actually create the stack wall. So that's a good thing there. But anyway, guys, I had a question about stack walls, and that's how they work. I might just want to select these guys here, tab these guys, and I might make all these stack walls now. Down to my stacked wall, all the way at the bottom. Apply it. Thinking about it. And there we go. So there's a lot of things we can do with walls. So in this case, we're going with the stack wall here, and I might want to drop this down. So I'll tab it, edit the type here. We probably will duplicate it, or I'll just edit this for now. And we got this at 6. Maybe we want to put this at 3 feet. So I had that option. It'd probably look better there. Okay. Oh, not quite. But anyway, I'm going to leave it there. I'm back out of this. I did something wrong there. I'm going to back out of that for now. Look at that again later. But hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. And there we go. We've got our stacked wall. So this is our stacked wall, and with this wall we can insert mullions or a curtain wall. So let's go back here, run quick review. We go with wall, architectural. I want to do my stack wall that we created. Stack brick over CMU. And there you go. So everybody, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. And everybody be safe. And I think it's Memorial Day. So good. Have a good Memorial Day, everybody. So again, I want to break this guy up. Just select it. Right click and say break up. Tap somewhere out there in space or hit the modify button. And there you got 3 different walls. This is probably good in the foundation wall setting or anything. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Everybody be safe. And please subscribe.